Welcome back everybody. Okay, welcome back again. So in this video we will continue our design. So in the previous video we have finished for the roof design, and this video we will make the window here or the window outside. So now we can start. So we will choose this window is a sliding window. It's a sliding window here. So I start to make the window frame first. So here's window frame. Okay. So window frame mostly we take steel tube, yeah, or rectangle tube. So I would like to choose this tube also here. We would choose the tube is 3 by 6. So now if we choose the 3, and to make it easy for another design, we need to make the group. So don't let the component or element uh, or track with other other thing or other element. So 3 by 6. Okay. So now we okay. So now we make the single slide here. So now the single slide. So remember that the slides must be not in the same or like opposite side. One is go inside other. So this frame of glass I would try to choose 6 by yes, 6 by 3 centimeter of the frame of the glass. So 6, and the thickness and the other side is 3. Yes. Okay. So I will close this and make a group. So we move to the top here. But remember that here it must become inside other is 3 too. Okay, now I start to make copy to other side. Yes. So it must be right here. Okay. It must be right here. Now we make the glass. So don't forget to make group. Okay, the glass must be the same edge here. Okay, so now we copy to other. Okay, finish. So okay, okay, so now we yes. Okay, so now we continue. So now we need to hide the glass in this window. Go to the pen bucket. Yes, in pen bucket you can choose. You can choose. Okay. You can choose the. Okay. You can choose what texture you need to apply for your yes, for your element. Now I will choose this one, glass and mirror. I will choose the glass. Yes, I will choose this glass here. But the color you can change the transparent you need. So if you want to change, you can go to edit and change. Yes, it must be dark or light, depend on you. For me, I would choose 30. Okay, that's finished. Okay, so now we have finished for the glass. So now we start to make the frame color of the window. I would like to choose the black color because it's beautiful. It's nice. So you can go and hide to, yes, you need here that finish for the window. So now we start to make group. It's easy for you to, yes, to move to other. Okay, you can go to, if you want to make a rotate, as I told you in the previous video, for tool that's called, yeah, rotation. You can put here and go to the right edge what you need. Okay, that's it. Okay, and now we start to, yeah, to edit this window, because for me is to make it easy, we make the frame first. Okay, we change the size of the frame here. Okay, and then we change the one is with the here exclude, and you can make the make group in this one and go to inside the group and you can change. So this one you can remove this out. Okay, you can start to make a copy, and you see the size, you can check that. Sorry. Okay, and you can move 30 sorry 3 centimeter, and you can delete this one and start to copy again. So you can move in the edge of the other frame. Okay, now you finish for other, and for the size also. This side you can rotate, yeah, rotate to the right place that you need. And this one is smaller than other. Do the same as before. You can edit for the frame first. So then, okay, you delete one more or one of the window and stretch. And this tool you can use this. Yes, you can see here. You can see here. Okay, follow me. You can use the M and move, okay, to the right place that you need. Okay, this one. I think it's not the right place. Maybe. I think maybe here. Or the better is you can use this. Yeah, this position. Okay, you can make this line. Move it down. Okay, and move it 30 centimeter. And then copy what your window is to go to the right position. But this window is the same one, the same edge. Okay, now finish. So now you can delete the line that you create. Okay, you finish and you go to under. This one is same as other. Okay, now finish. So now you can make a small window. So now we delete. Okay, delete this one, and you make a frame. But I think this is very big. It's okay. You can edit another time. Okay, finish, and you can make a copy to other window. Okay, for this one, but this one is more higher. Okay, more higher. That Okay. Okay, and this window too. You can make this one. Okay, okay. Okay, now copy to other. Okay, that's it. So you can copy this one to other window. Okay, if now we want to window here is go to the opposite side. Click on that and right click, go to flip alone. Yes, now finish. Now we copy to the small window in the bathroom. Okay, or you can tie 40 degrees enough. Sorry. Okay, so sorry. Remember that this window is a opening window, not fixed window. So that's why it have frame around. Because if you did it with the fixed window, there is no frame on the on around. Okay, so now we will finish all yes, all the window and frame. So thank you for your watching. So see you on the next video. Thank you.